Hi, I'm William Myers with Subaru for Expert Village. Okay, if your front differential is low and you have to add 80/90 gear lube to your front differential, this is all you're going to have to do it. You're going to remove that dipstick, or your 80/90 front gear dipstick, and you're going to install a funnel into the hole, just like so, and you're going to add your 80/90 to the funnel. Now remember, a front differential on a Subaru doesn't hold more than 2.5 pints. So don't go crazy adding a whole bunch of fluid. Just add half a pint at a time or a pint at a time. Never pour in a full quart or 2 quarts, because the front differential only holds 2.5 pints when it's been fully drained and you're refilling it. That's how you add fluid to your front differential in your automatic transmission.